In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unlock a PS5 and unlock games on all profiles. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you're looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, go to your profile icon and from here go to switch user, and now select the user that owns all the games. After selecting, go to settings. In settings, go to users and accounts, go to other, go to console sharing and offline play, go on enable and press X. Wait for it to enable, and now it's enabled. Now the games are unlocked. But if it's still not working, go to restore licenses, press X, and press X on restore. And so this should unlock the PS5 games for all accounts. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching.